Hello guys, welcome back to English Learning channel. And if you are new here, so basically I am working on my communication skills, and this is the channel where I share my journey. So it's a unique thing because everyone teaches you English, but no one can share their journey. So I am here to share my journey with you guys. So I do regular practice on regular I do regular practice or communication practice, and I try to learn something new every day. So this is day 37, and I'm doing a challenge. So this is day actually I took a challenge where I need to improve my English by help of ChatGPT. So this is day 14. I have done day 13. So this is day 14, and immediately I want to show you my today's practice. Then we talk about something else after that. All right, guys. So you can see this is the day 14 practice. So again I'm using so that I need to control over that. This is day 14 task. I need to write sentence on using will or going to, and I have to write some sentences in a structure, and the day of the word is improve. This is my practice. So I made 10 sentences, one small paragraph, and three were three sentences of the improve. Here it is the output. So basically like for today I off my chat gpt's or the grammarly feature off, because I realized today like grammarly feature is on, so it's always suggest you ki, okay, there is a mistake, you can fix it. So intentionally, oh okay, first let me finish this, then I will talk about that. Okay, so this is my practice, and like here are almost I get a something, something like I get a some feedback or some correction each and everything, but that's no problem. Let me switch camera first. So I was talking about that grammarly feature. So like by mistake or like I don't aware that grammarly option is on. Like we install that grammarly to improve grammar and all. But so it's a my habit to it's my finger habit to right click and just correct the word, correct the sentence. So it's a not a good way to learning in my opinion, like in my personal opinion. So today I switch off that option for 1 hour, and then I try to write these all sentences, and I made one more mistake. So after like submitting my work, so I haven't recheck it. So this mistake I made today. So on tomorrow onwards, I'll first write without grammar like autocorrect, and after that I recheck all the sentences, then submit. So the chances is good ki I will make less mistake tomorrow onwards. So this is about my practice, and I have done reading in morning hours, and actually on a speaking part, like I speak on a. Actually, I show you some video on that, like how I speak to some stranger and all. So I will show you that also one day. So I make a proper video on that. I will show you like how I have conversation with strangers on a video call, on audio call. So for speaking part, I think today is not my day. Like I made 4 to 5 calls. Unfortunately, I don't know why the people are not understanding, or like people were not understand my question. I don't know why they just cut the call in 1 minute or 2 minute only. So it's very strange. It's like it's happened me with first time. But the last call was very good. Like I had a word with some Tamil student. I think he was BTech student, and we had very good communicate. We have very good conversation. And after all, like I think I have done half an hour or more than half an hour speaking practice as well. So today's task is done. Like I have done all the things, all tick, tuck, 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 writing, tuck, speaking, click, reading, click. So all the parameter has checked. So that's it for today. Hope you learn something new and you feel inspired by this video. So please start your journey today. You never late. So yeah, that's it for today. मिलते हैं कल के ब्लॉग में. Bye bye. Keep learning.